everyone, thank you for joining me here in my kitchen. Today we're gonna make lavender almond milk. This is 100% vegan almond milk, so we're gonna use maple syrup as a sweetener instead of honey. But if you don't care about your almond milk being vegan, you can use honey instead. We're gonna use 1.5 cups of almonds, which I soaked overnight and drink this morning. These are organic, but as well, if you don't want to use organic, that's up to you. We're also gonna need lavender, a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. I like Himalayan pink salt, but you can use any salt you have at home. We need water. I also like to use bottled water. And we need glass containers to keep your milk fresh. We also need a funnel, a container to put your milk, and we also need a nutbag. There are different types of nutbags. This is a nylon one, and it's very easy and fast to make the almond milk. I have others here. This is a cotton, 100% organic cotton. And this is another type, which is 100% organic cotton as well. Today, we're gonna use the nylon one just because it's very fast and easy to make almond milk. Not that the other ones are not good, they are very good, but it takes a little bit more time to get the almond milk. And we also need a high-speed blender. So let's start to make our almond milk. We start by pouring our almond in the blender. As I said, we need 1.5 cups. After that, we put water. It's not 1 liter of water. It's about 750 milliliters. This is just to blend. This is optional. How much you want to taste the lavender, it's up to you. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons, but you can put less if you don't want a stronger flavor of the lavender. So I'm gonna put 1 and 2 tablespoons. And then also the honey is optional. It depends on how sweet you want your almond milk. So I'm not going to tell you if you are going to put 1 quarter of a cup or half a cup. It's up to you. You can taste it and you can put it to your liking. So the honey, and that's all. It's very easy, very simple, and it's so good. You will be amazed how good this is. There's nothing in comparison to the almond milk you make at home with the one you buy in the store. So let's start. We're gonna add, after we blend everything, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Doesn't need too much, just a pinch. We're gonna put our lid and blend it again. That's it. So this is ready. We need our container and our bag. As I said, today we're going to use the nylon bag. We put it there inside the container and we pour slowly our almond milk. You can put everything at once. The lavender is in there, everything goes in there. So the secret, it's not a secret, it's just to squeeze. Hands very clean and just squeeze everything. We want to get everything from this. What I like about making my own almond milk is that I use the best ingredients, and this is true almond milk. The one that you buy in the store, it has minimum almonds. You can see in the ingredients that almonds are not the first ingredient. This almond milk is so nutritious and healthy and so easy to make. So you just squeeze. Keep squeezing until you get everything from here. And that's it. I can even smell the lavender. This is delicious. Almond milk is so nutritious. It's rich in fiber because of the almonds, which I am taking the fiber out of the almonds. But this, in another day, I'm gonna show you how you can use this fiber to make some cookies. It is rich in vitamin E, calcium, magnesium, manganese, vitamin B2. It is a good source of protein, healthy fat, because it's monounsaturated fats. So it's very delicious and very healthy. This is all. So I'll put the fiber on the side. So what we have here is the almond milk, but it's concentrated. So we're going to pour this almond milk into our glass containers. We're going to use the funnel and we're going to divide it. These are 3-liter containers. So we divide it here. And this is very concentrated. It should be about the same. This one has a, oh, it's about the same. I've been doing this for so many years that I almost know how much it needs each fiber. Finally, we're gonna fill our containers with water. And this should last in the refrigerator fresh for about 3 days. But it won't last that long. It's so delicious. That's it. I put the lids, give it a shake, and put it in the fridge. A good shake. And it's ready to serve. You can put it in the fridge and drink it when it's cold, but you can try it. It's so good that I want to try it right now. And as I said, if you like a little bit sweeter, then add a little bit more maple syrup. Cheers, it's so good. You can even add some chocolate, some cocoa powder to make some chocolate milkshake. Really delicious. Thank you for joining me, and give me your comments. If you like what I did, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting one recipe, vegan recipe every week, and you will see the vegan eating. It's not boring, it's delicious. Thank you. Bye.